To use a digital wallet on Wells Fargo with an Android device. Start by ensuring your phone is compatible with the service. Most newer Android devices support digital wallets, but it is always a good idea to check with your device manufacturer to confirm compatibility. Next, download and install the Wells Fargo mobile banking app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and log in to your account using your username and password. If you do not have a Wells Fargo account, you can enroll in mobile banking through the app. After logging in, navigate to the menu and select the digital wallet option. Wells Fargo supports several digital wallets, including Google Pay, Samsung Pay, and Wells Fargo Wallet. Choose the digital wallet you want to use and follow the prompts to add your Wells Fargo debit or credit card. To add a card, you will need to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. You may also be asked to verify your identity through a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email. Once your card is added, you can start using your digital wallet to make payments. To make a payment, open your digital wallet app and select the card you want to use. Hold your phone near the contactless payment terminal and verify the payment amount. The payment will be processed, and you will receive a confirmation on your phone. For added security, make sure to set up a lock screen on your device and use a secure method to authenticate, such as a fingerprint or PIN. It is also a good idea to monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. Using a digital wallet on Wells Fargo with an Android device is a convenient and secure way to make payments. By following these steps, you can start using your digital wallet today and enjoy the benefits of contactless payments.